Oh.
Right, we have the dollies. Remember when we did the dollies? Uh-oh, did we get lost?
No, don't worry. He knows the way.
Oh, there he is. There's Keith.
Yep, follow us.
Okay.
I can't really use these.
For you.
Wait, why did I get
Can you see the colors on the wheel? Just spinning it faster or slower, or give it different colors?
But you still see colors.
It's true. All right. How many colors do you see? Hello.
I made it!
We're not out yet.
How did we over here?
Oh, can't get out from there. That means it's only one spot left. All right.
Jeez, I want some here.
Compare our hand to the bears. I'd say it's got me beat by a little bit. Can you do it, bud? You gotta move all the way along the ledge without putting your feet on the ground. Do you have the muscles? It's getting harder. This is life or death. You could be a mountain climber right now. Couple more holds and then you're almost to the end. You can't touch the ground. One more turn. And he's got it. When you have an option of left or right, we go left. It's dark in here.
Sorry.
You're okay. Millions of stars. we're gonna go on an important mission to repair something. All right, here we go. Give the instructions.
Remove panel plates.
Remove plates. So we go to this side. You gotta go to your action, remove item, and then your items, cover plate.
Install new antennas.
Install new antenna, so you're gonna install item, hit items, new antenna.
Hi guys. Everyone knows, well, who follows us, everyone knows that we, in fact, have moved to Colorado, and Peyton's new school is having a chili cook-off contest. So, with that being said, I don't mean to brag, I'm just saying that anyone who knows us knows that I make a mean chili.
Sounds like you're bragging.
I'm not bragging, I'm just saying.
Sounds like bragging. You better save that for tomorrow when we win.
Okay, so, with my daughter's peer pressure, yes, she peer pressured the hell out of me. I signed up, I am going out of my comfort zone, and I am doing it. So this happens tomorrow, and it is 9:18 Mountain Time, and we are cooking chili.
All right, guys, kind of the cleanup time. We've got our competition chili ready to go, and then we've got our second pot that we are just kind of taste testing and figuring out kind of changes we want, anything like that. Just kind of going for it. What do you think?
Guess where I'm going?
Where are you going?
Italy and Greece.
Italy and Greece. What do you think about the chili?
Did you put more spice in it?
This one I did, yeah.
I can taste it.
So this one's a little bit more spicy than the other one because this one, we ended up thinking that it tasted good enough for the competition. And in this house, we like a little bit of spice. And since we entered into, what do we enter into, baby? The mild or medium? We entered into the medium or mild chili. So we weren't able to kind of use our spice level. We used to spice our chili. No, I didn't add that to that. For our chili, where's it at, baby? For our chili, we use a very spicy sauce. And this is a secret, but here it is. It's called Get Bitten, snake venom. It is the second hottest hot sauce in the world. And when I say you use literally a drop, I mean, what do we do, babe? A drop.
Fucking drop.
A drop.
A drop.
So, all right. Well, we'll see when we get done. Here we go. Step rubbing. Look at that tail's wagging. Look at the tail's wagging.